Hi everyone, I'm Dali, owner of an Etsy shop named Dali's Creative Planner, and welcome to this quick walkthrough of the fuel consumption monitoring created in Excel and Google Sheets. The main table includes everything you need to monitor fuel usage and cost efficiency. And as you can see at top, you can fill in driver name, type of car such as Cadillac or Ford Mustang, and so on, registry number. Then we can starting mileage, mileage of previously filled fuel, ending mileage, mileage at the time of filling fuel. The difference is calculated automatically. Fuel filling date, when you last filled the tank. Price, fuel price per unit, like per gallon or liter. Fuel amount, how much fuel was added. Cost, price multiplied by amount. And then we have total cost at total consumption are calculated automatically and we give you complete overview. Now let's fill some data. As you can see, this tracker gives you a clear picture of how much you're spending on fuel, your average mileage, and when each refilling took place. That will be all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Excel tools. Bye.